In addition to Merit's legacy of products of pipe, valves, fittings, and flanges, Merit also carries an offering of next-generation press fittings in carbon, copper, and stainless steel known as MeritPress. MeritPress fittings and valves come equipped with a visual indicator press ring, also known as the Viper, which gives you a visual confirmation of a complete press. While there are several methods to join pipe, industry trends are focusing on quality products that save project completion time and money. Press fitting systems reduce project costs by up to 30% due to labor and auxiliary material savings. Press fittings reduce the time it takes to install a system, addresses labor shortages, have reduced overhead, and are safe to use. There is no need to acquire an open flame permit with press fittings and valves. All that is required with a press system are the press fittings and/or valves, a press tool, and the accompanying press jaws and rings. MeritPress's stainless steel press fitting and valve offering are an innovative solution for stainless steel pipe installations. Stainless press fittings and valves are the most comprehensive offering for your stainless press applications with over 500 SKUs. This system is suitable for use on stainless steel Schedule 5 or 10 pipe. Please contact our sales team to talk about the stainless steel Schedule 10 pipe that Merit has available to you for press systems using stainless steel. Our stainless press fittings and valves available in 1/2 inch to 2 inch house a visual indicator press ring that is color-coded according to the sealing element. EPDM fittings and valves will have a green Viper band for water applications. HNBR fittings and valves will have a yellow Viper band for gas applications, and FKM fittings and valves will have a white Viper band for industrial applications. The Viper makes it easy for the installer to identify any unpressed joints in the system, as the band can be easily removed after the fitting has been pressed. In addition to the Viper, stainless press fittings and valves ensure that the proper fittings and valves are selected for the application by matching the sealing element, color coding on the box, the bag, and the ring. For EPDM, all labeling boxes and the Viper band will be green. For FKM, all labeling boxes and the Viper band will be white. And for HNBR, all boxes, labels, and the Viper band will be yellow. Some of the other benefits and features: a 15-year limited warranty on fittings and a 5-year limited warranty on valves. 3/16 stainless steel for enhanced corrosion resistance, and iron pipe size, also known as IPS. Leak before press, known as LBP system, is designed to leak before the fitting is pressed, giving a visual indication of a connection that has not been pressed. For more information about our next generation of press fittings and valves known as MeritPress, which is available in copper, carbon, and stainless steel, please visit our website at www.meritpress.com or contact our team today at 800-726-9800.